Okay, on this transmitter the CSID is Z1141. All those jumpers must be on. It's positive trip, so they must be on. In the past we used to put resistors between every input, but it's not necessary anymore. All the resistors are on board on the back of the board, and when you put the jumper on, you're connecting a resistor. Okay, so that must be on, and yeah, positive, negative, and then these go to you. These inputs come from your alarm panel, the PGM inputs. I think that one is the AC input. So if there's AC failure, it will also send a signal. You also can, there's a test button there that you can push, and then it will send. If you push it, you'll hear it. The relay will start clicking. It's sending a signal. If you switch the power off and you switch it on, then this transmitter sends every input that it has to protection services. If the power is off and you switch it on, it sends an AC restore. If the power goes off, yeah, it sends a AC failure.